Hi, welcome to the first episode of Digital HQ for SME. So this will be a series where I'm going to showcase the Digital HQ for a business owner like you, especially if you're in Malaysia, on how you can use this system to build an all-in-one dashboard to monitor all your company operations. So it's actually a course that I'm running called Turn Your Business into a Single Dashboard and Allow Yourself to Go on Vacation. So it's HRDC-certified and it's 1.2K for the early bird signups. And for me to convince you that this is for you, I'm going to show you one feature every day on what the Digital HQ can do. So first of all, you can see this is the setup that we have. So the idea is that this will be the homepage or the headquarters of your company. So you can see there are some features that are available here. OKR, org chart, finance, project tasks, staff training portal, SOP, and a newsletter. So the idea is that your staff can kind of post things, or your HR, anyone can post it. So it will feature on the main page. And once they click into it, for example, governance for AI, they kind of read the newsletter here and then they can put their comments. So far, based on my experience implementing for my clients, this is very helpful to kind of track engagement as well. So there's actually a 3 dot here you can click and then go to the update analytics. Analytics, you kind of see who have actually viewed this page. And also to reduce email footprint, to keep everything within Notion, there's also this notification button. So the idea is that once it's ready, you can just click it and then OK. So all the staff will automatically receive a notification. Click inbox. You can see this is a notification. Hi, the latest newsletter on governance workstream update AI is ready. So you can click to view. So once they click it, they can actually view the newsletter directly. And that's it for the first episode. Tune in for more tomorrow.